New studies reveal how cells reverse their decision to divide.
Hi, I'm Dr. Melissa Pessin, and I'm the chair of the Department of Laboratory Medicine here in the new Center for Laboratory Medicine building.
According to a new study, cells that are preparing to divide can change and reverse their decision. A new study conducted by the National Cancer Institute, part of the National Institute of Health (NIH), found that cells that are about to divide could be made to stop. Not only cells could stop the division process, but they could also reverse and return to their original resting position. The research challenges the long-held beliefs about how cells divide. As per the study, the cells could stop dividing if interrupted early. The new research could potentially assist in developing new treatment procedures for cancer. Mitogens are growth-promoting signals that assist in synthesizing copies of DNA, ultimately leading to cell division. Scientists for a long time believed once the process begins, the cell division cannot stop. An article published on the National Cancer Institute portal reads, "When cells receive growth-promoting signals called mitogens, they enter the cell cycle and synthesize new copies of their DNA in a series of steps that culminate in cell division." Scientists have long thought that the preparatory stage of this cycle includes a point after which cells cannot halt the process. Researchers believe that after this point of no return, growth signals are no longer needed to drive cells to divide. Scientists studied the cells undergoing mitosis in the video they had captured. They also studied how the cells behaved once mitogens were withdrawn. The scientists found that 15% of the cells withdrew from the cell cycle and found their way back to their original resting state. The National Cancer Institute article mentions, in the new study, scientists at NCI's Center for Cancer Research captured videos of thousands of cells undergoing mitosis and watched what happened to those cells when mitogens were withdrawn. After 15% of the cells exited the cell cycle and returned to a resting state, what those cells had in common was that they hadn't been as far along as others in the cycle when they stopped receiving growth-promoting signals. In experiments with many different kinds of cells, researchers found that all types of cells were capable of exiting the cell cycle if interrupted early enough. The last 2 decades have been exceptional for scientists and researchers working on finding new treatments for cancer. After conducting tens of thousands of studies, they have been able to discover new treatments for cancer. How did you find this information? Please mention this in the comments section. We would also like to know the kind of content you want to watch, and we will try to create it for you. For more news and updates, follow Airr News.